Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Tulsiram from Tulsiram Tech, and in today's video I'll teach you how to install Audacity in Windows 10 latest edition. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is open Chrome browser or any other browser and search for Audacity Windows. After searching for Audacity Windows, go for Audacity. As you can see, there is a website like the audacityteam.org. I'll provide the link for the website in the description. You just have to complete it. Is asking for CAPTCHA, so complete the CAPTCHA first. I'll skip it. So once you complete the CAPTCHA, you go to this website then you select for your particular version. It's Windows, so for us it's Windows, so we'll select Windows. We'll click on it. Once you click on it, it'll redirect you can select the version which you want for your Audacity. If it's old PC, then you can select for Windows 7 or Windows XP also. So I'll select the latest version. Then it'll goes to Fossil Hub, which is a distribution service for Audacity. There you can go for installer. So once you select the installer will get downloaded. As you can see, it is getting downloaded by IDMB. So how my download is so fast, you could comment. I'll make another video on how to install IDM for free. So let the download complete. So once the download get completed, open it. It will ask for administrative permission if you want to give it, or you could also install it normally. I recommend administrative permissions because it will work better. So once administrative services are given, you will get installation setup. You can select the language that you want: English, Hindi, French, Japanese. Then click OK. Now we'll start the installation. Click next, or click the second option also. Then click next, and then install. So once the setup is completed, it's totally installed, and then click on next. You can read the terms and conditions if you want. Then click on next, then finish. Now it will ask for reset preference. You should say yes, because it will remove all your old preference and install default preferences, which is the most best one. So once it's completed, let's open Audacity. So now Audacity is open. So now I'll show you how to begin Audacity. So you can go to files, then open, or you could use the shortcut also. You could select the song of your choice or the audio file on which you are working now. Select the audio file. I'll select one of the songs which I already have in my album. So it will take time. Once the song gets loaded, you will get a whole compression file. So as you can see, the top and bottom both are left noise and right noise. So as you can hear the audio which I have just played, you can shrink it, you can compress it, you can decrease the size of the audio, you can make compressions. All of these options available to you. So that's it guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please comment on what topic I should make my next video. Thank you.